Good morning, friends, and happy Tuesday. Welcome to day 12 of distant learning. Today we are going to be doing this video again in two separate parts, as I am aware that not everybody still has received their packet. My bangs are doing the wrong thing today. So because not everybody has their packet yet, I will be reading today's passage to you in the next video. Alright, so make sure that you check that out once we finish this one. You will be completing your 30 minutes of reading today. It's a story of your choice. And continuing your review of main idea with moi. Alright, so the first step to identifying main idea is to identify the topic. Okay, now the topic is who or what the passage is about. Okay, so remember that when you identify your topic should, on average, be no more than 1 to 3 words. Okay, just a simple who. Who is this passage, paragraph, sentence about? Okay. The second step to determining the main idea is to identify the point. Now, the point is what the passage says about the topic. Okay. So once you have your topic and your point and you put them together, you get a sentence that gives you the main idea. For example, listen as I read aloud the sentence. And as you're listening, I want you to think about the topic and the point of the sentence, okay? So elementary schools are an important part of the community. I'll read it again. Elementary schools are an important part of the community. Say it with me. Elementary schools are an important part of the community. Who is this sentence about? Elementary schools. The sentence is about elementary schools. So the who is elementary schools, which means the topic is elementary schools. Now the point is going to be what that sentence is telling me about elementary schools. Well, elementary schools are an important part of the community. So the point would be that they are an important part of the community. That's what they're telling me about elementary schools. So again, I have my topic, elementary schools, and my point are an important part of the community. And when I put them together, I get this beautiful sentence that happens to be my main idea, and that is that elementary schools are an important part of the community. Alrighty. So in determining main idea, it's important for us to look carefully at the key details, okay? Remember, key details directly support the main idea. When you are determining main idea, you should think of the questions, what are the key details telling me about the topic, and how do they support the main idea? I told you my version of the 3 Little Pigs yesterday, except I gave you way more details than what you needed. All right, I gave you so many more details. All right, and together we pointed out the 3 key details, the most important details from the version that I gave you yesterday. Okay, do you remember what they were? If you said sticks, out of order, straw, sticks, and bricks, you are correct. Okay, those are the 3 major key details to the story of the 3 Little Pigs. I mean, knowing what they made their houses out of and all the problems that led to is a huge part of the story. Okay, they're key. So today you're going to practice determining the main idea with the story called Where Does Money Come From? Okay, now remember to check out part 2 of this video where I will be reading the story to you for those that don't have it. I have also included a picture of it along with this video, so you can pull it up if you'd like and read it on your own. That as you are reading or listening, I'd like for you to think about the main idea. So what is the topic of this story, and what is the story telling us about that topic, okay? And also pay close attention to the key details because they will help you. Now, if you're struggling to determine the main idea, remember, again, it's just identify the topic, identify the point, put it together, and you got that sentence, okay? Please write this down on a separate piece of paper. I do want you to write your main idea down, and that's what you can snap me today for evidence of completion for today's work, okay? I am looking forward to checking that out with you guys, and again, don't forget to check out part 2 where I will be reading Where Does Money Come From to Ya. Alrighty, enjoy the rest of your day. See you in part 2.